Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to quickly show you how I made this round table or a poof from a cardboard barrel. If you're new here, my name is Alice and I love to post fashion, lifestyle, interior and DIY type of content. Make sure you stay all the way to the end as I will show you how I attach fabric onto this cardboard barrel. So let's get started. I'm using this foam from my old sofa, and I placed the top of the cardboard barrel onto the foam and marked it using a marker pen, and then I went ahead with a pair of scissors and cut it out. The type of foam I'm using is not really thick, so I cut out a few pieces to make the poof a little bit comfortable. I then use this adhesive spray to attach the foam onto the top of the cardboard barrel. Make sure you spray the adhesive on every area of the cardboard barrel so that the foam doesn't come off. And then also spray on the foam and then attach it on the top of the cardboard barrel and press it down for it to stick. Then spray the foam that you've just attached to the top of the barrel with the adhesive spray, and also the other foam that you're going to attach on top of it, and press it down again for it to stick. I will link everything that I've used on this DIY in the description box below, and you should be left with something like this. For this DIY, I'm using this grey Boucle fabric that I got a while ago, and then I went ahead and placed the top of the barrel that had foam and traced out the shape, and then I went ahead and cut it out, and this is what I'm left with. So this is going to be attached on top of the barrel, and then I measured the circumference of the top of the barrel. I came up with like 45 inches, and then I went back to my fabric and marked out the 45 inches, and then I measured the height of the poof, and that is around 5 inches, and I went back into my fabric and marked the 5 inches that I'm gonna cut out from my fabric. So I kind of highlighted the areas that I'm going to cut out, and this is what I'm gonna attach to the round circle and come up with a complete piece for the top of the cardboard barrel. I attached the fabric using the sewing pins. Then I went ahead and measured the height of the barrel, and it was approximately 20 inches, leaving some allowance for the fabric to be tapped, and 45 inches for the width. I marked out the dimensions on the fabric, and then I went ahead and cut them out using a pair of scissors. And now it was time to sew all these pieces together, and this is what I came up with for the top of the barrel. It just fits, slots back in easily, and then I'm going to use hot glue to attach it into the side of the barrel just to come up with a clean finish. And this is the fabric that is going to be attached to the bottom of the barrel. And as you can see, I sew the top part and the sides, leaving the bottom because I'm going to glue it onto the barrel, so it doesn't really matter. And the good thing about this fabric is stretches, so it kind of gives you that allowance to work with. So I'm gonna glue everything onto this barrel using the hot glue. And this is how the top is gonna look like once it's all glued together. And then I went ahead with my hot glue and glue the fabric into the barrel until it's all complete. So here's the finished part of the poof. As you can see, it looks really nice and clean. It looks like it's been made by a professional and not an amateur, so I'm well pleased. And this is a perfect poof. You can use it to store your blankets or throws in there or toys. It just is multifunction. You can use it for a lot of things. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.